we're doing a quick movement break, using as our prop the bottom 2 steps on a staircase and the railing of our staircase. This is going to build power and strength in our legs and confidence on stairs. It's a great way just to take a break throughout the day and get some movement into your day. We'll start by warming up just away from the staircase, marching on the spot, just for a few moments. Noticing core engagement, little scoop of the lower abdominals, belly button to the spine, lift the chest, stand tall. You can pump your arms. So once we move to the stairs, we're going to make sure we are feeling safe the whole time, holding on to the railing throughout. Let's do 3 shoulder rolls, lifting those shoulders up, back, and down. Moving over to our stairs, we'll be stepping up, up, down, down from the bottom step, leading with the right foot the whole time. So right foot up, right foot down, left foot down. And after a few reps, we'll switch to lead with the left. So facing the staircase, hand on the rail, right foot up, right foot down, left foot down, and keep going. Up, up, down, down. Going at the pace that works for you. Upper body nice and upright. Let's go 2 more. And then switch sides, leading with the left foot. Up, up, down, down. Two more. We'll place the right foot on the bottom step, and we're going to keep the right foot there, holding onto railing. Using the power of the right leg, lift the left foot just to pause and hover, and then lower down with control. So lift up, glutes engaged. Two more reps. And bring that right foot down, switch things up, left foot onto the bottom step, and lift to hover the right foot. Two more reps. And both feet come down. We'll turn sideways to the staircase, hand on the railing. Foot closest to the stair comes up on that bottom step. And again, we're going to lift and lower, hovering the foot in this standing sideways position. So lifting up and lower. Power to lift up, control when you lower. And two more. And then we're just going to turn around, do the other side. I still have my hand on the railing, and then lift and lower. Strong legs. Let's go two more. Bring both feet down. We'll be doing a variation on high knees using the second step, alternating tapping each foot up on that second step. So lift the foot nice and high, tap and bring it down. Other side. rest. Nice high knee, tap the foot. The modification could be to use the first step instead of the second, if that's better for you. Either way, lifting that foot nice and high. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both feet come down. We'll use the stair, continue using the stairs as our prop to stretch out our legs. Bring your right foot up again onto that second step, and then bring your hips forward. So the left side, we're going for a hip flexor stretch. Just bring that hip forward. And now slowing the breath down, taking nice full inhales and exhales. And we want our stretches to feel gentle, so no pain or discomfort, just a gentle stretch. So come to the position that works for you. And then keeping that right foot on the second step, you could make any little adjustments. We're gonna have the heel on the stair, toe lifted, and just feeling, again, that gentle stretch now to that front leg, the back of the front leg. Inhale, exhale. And bring your foot down, and we'll switch sides, left foot up. Let the hips come forward. Hip flexor stretch. Move yourself back. Heel on the stair, toe lifted, keeping upright. A good chance to practice those full breaths. Let's have one more inhale, exhale. Release. Standing sideways to the stair, hand on railing. We'll just cross one foot behind, maybe a little bit across midline. Pause here, stretching out the side of the hip. And just switch sides. You don't need to turn around, just bring the other foot behind. And release. You can move away from the stair. One shoulder roll, up, back, and down. Release those shoulders down. One big inhale, exhale as we lift the arms to the ceiling. Inhale, exhale the arms down. Amazing work. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you again soon. Have a wonderful day.